Hello friends, today in this video I will give you some suggestions to improve your English language. If you are a writer and you are writing in your national language and you have some manuscript and those are in your national language, or if you are not writer, you can find some scripts of your national language, or you can find some beautiful stories or jokes in your national language. Then try to translate those in international language, in English language. Such as I'm also willing to translate my old scripts in English language. I will do myself, because in my previous time I used to write the jokes for children newspaper, children pages, and in this way I published a book for children in previous time. And right now I'm willing to translate all those jokes in English language. In this way I will improve myself, and the practice of translating will improve. In the same way, if you are interested to improve yourself on best level, then from your national language you can translate the things in English language. You can find any kind of story in your national language. Try to translate that story in English language. Or you are reading your national language newspaper. There are some news, not long news, those are very small. You can choose those news which are small. Then try to translate those news into English. In this way, you will improve yourself in English language. Where there you find a problem while translating some words, you don't know the English of those words, you can check through dictionary. You can find their meaning from dictionary or through Google. In this way, I think this is the best exercise. This will be the best exercise to improve yourself in English language. So try to translate. First of all, if you don't know the advanced level of English, then first of all, translate some simple sentences, simple stories, where there's not difficult situation is. Very easy sentences. Then you can translate those sentences or those skits in English language. And slowly, gradually you will improve yourself, and after that you will translate the difficult words of your national language into English language. Try this. I think that this will help you to improve your English language. Hope you find this video useful. In next video I will give you another tip. Till then, allow me, and before leaving, please subscribe to this channel so that you never miss our other videos. Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.